Okay, so guys, I already started doing this video and then you couldn't see the calculator screen, so I had to do some stuff. So that's why there's already writing on my paper. Let R be the region, let R be the area enclosed by the function f of x equals 3e to the x and g of x equals 8x plus 3. Write an integral in terms of x and also an integral in terms of y that would represent the area of the region R. Okay, so R is this area here. And then we're going to use Math 9 to evaluate both integrals, and we should get the same thing. Okay, so G is the line, so I just put a G next to the line. And then F is the other one, the exponential one, so F is right there. Now we got to find these intersection points. This one is just 0, 3. And then the other one, we've got to use the calculator for. Okay, so in the calculator, I got to graph these. So I already started to, so there they are. And graph. Okay, now I could see the intersection is going to be a little bit higher. So I'll go to my window and I'll do my Y max, I don't know, 20 maybe. Let me try to focus this more. Okay, so right up here, that's the intersection point that we're looking for. So I'm going to go second calc intersect. Now you might want to pay attention, guys, because I'm going to do something a little bit different. Okay, so there's the the points. So let me just write some estimates down. I can't use the estimates though in my calculations. 7, 6, 6. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to store this as A and I'm going to store that as B. Now to store the x coordinate, it's easy. We've been doing that. I'm going to show you how to store the y coordinate. It's different. All right, so I go second quit, I hit X, I go down to store, and I hit A. Okay, stored as A. So, and let me write over here for our reference. So I've got, or for our reader, 1.720732284, that is stored as A. Now, there's not a way, I have tried so many times, there's not a way of taking the y coordinate of an intersection on the graph and putting it in the home screen. But, guys, for this input of A, the output on either function is going to give us this value here, not the estimated, but like the real thing. So you choose whichever function you like. I guess I'll choose the linear one. So I'm going to go G of A. You could just as easily do F of A is 8A plus 3. All right. And then I'm going to go 8A plus 3. And I get this, which you could see is B. So this is equal to 16.76585.828. And then I'm going to store that as B. Now make sure you remember to store, because sometimes I write on my paper store and then I forget to actually do it. All right, so that's stored as B. Okay, so we're ready with the 8 with those. Okay, now, the other thing is, we're just getting ready here. Guys, since we are, hi.
Are you on?
No, I'm recording.
Oh.
Do you need something?
Are you a Democrat or Republican?
Democrat.
Would you mind signing a petition?
Oh yeah, can I just finish this, please? Okay, yeah. This'll take me a little while though. Can I come find you?
Well, yeah, I'll be back tomorrow.
Oh, okay.
Tomorrow, Grace. She's trying to run for
Okay, perfect. All right, sure thing. Okay, so now, excuse that, guys, sorry. So now, all right, over here. All right, so this So here's the f function. All right, the f function is y equals, and you do not have to organize it like me, guys, but it's y equals 3 to the x. And that's what we're going to use if we're doing top minus bottom, okay? Because if we're using top minus bottom for the area, it's stuff in terms of x. So you solve for y. When you solve for y, the rest is in terms of x. That's what we want. But now I'm going to keep going and I'm going to solve for x to get things in terms of y, and that's what we will use for left minus right, or for right minus left, which is in terms of y they want. Okay, so I'll divide both sides by 3. I get e to the x equals y over 3. Now, how do you cancel a base of e? You take a natural log. So I'm going to take the natural log of both sides, and I just get that x is equal to natural log of y over 3. And that is what we're going to be using for right minus left. Okay, now, or that's for the f function. Now for the g function. For the g function, the way it is given to us is y equals 8x plus 3. Solve for y, so it's in terms of x, so that's what we would use for top minus bottom. Now I'm going to solve for x. I'm going to do it super fast, guys. So x is equal to y minus 3 over 8. And now, since we've solved for x, the rest of it is in terms of y. That's what we will be using for right minus left. Okay, now we're pretty much ready to go. All right, so first let me do in terms of x. Okay, so that's with top minus bottom. So I'll just draw a little line right there. Top, bottom. Okay, so I'm doing the integral from the leftmost x is 0, the rightmost x is a, and then top minus bottom. All right, so top minus bottom, the top function is g, and g is this. So 8x plus 3 minus the bottom function in this case is f, and f is this. So minus 3e to the x. So I didn't actually need the parentheses around that because because there was only one term. Okay, now let me do the integral in terms of y. So that's going to be using the right minus left formula. So I'll do like a line right there. Okay, right, left. Okay, so the integral, the lowermost y is 3. The uppermost y is b, and remember that is stored. And now I go right minus left. So the right function is f, and I've got to use the in terms of y. So I'm going to go natural log of y over 3 minus the left function is g, and g in terms of y is this one right here, y minus 3 over 8 dy. Okay, so we've written our two integrals. Now we're going to use Math 9 to evaluate both, and guys, they should be the same. All right, two ways of finding the same area. Okay, so all right, let me do this first one. So I go Math 9, 0, a, 8x plus 3 minus 3 e to the x. Okay, so this one is equal to 3.240. Now, hopefully this one is equal to the same thing, or we did make a mistake. So Math 9, I'm going from 3 to b Whoa, whoa, what did I do? I'm going from 3 to b. And then I'm going natural log, whoops, they already opened a parenthesis, x divided by 3. You can only use x, guys. So it doesn't matter what the variable is, you can only use x here. And then this is minus x minus 3 over 8 dx. We did it. Okay, 3.240. Okay, guys, you have one problem to do that is very much like that.